Today, our tutorial is about this cute and beautiful little bow, so come with me and learn in this video. Here I'm going to use some string and a 3mm crochet hook and a simple elastic band like this. And I'll start here by making my slip knot with 32 chains, okay? After finishing the 32, I'm now going to pick up those little loops that form behind the chains. Skip the first one and go into the second, starting with a slip stitch. And then I yarn over because I'm going to make a half double crochet, and right after that I'll make 2 double crochets, one in each base stitch, okay? Now I'm going to make a double treble crochet. So I yarn over twice, insert, pull through 2, I'll close 2 more and then the last 2. I'm going to add 2 more double stitches like that one. And so I've reached the halfway point of my little bow. Now I'll come back making a high point, a somewhat elevated high point, and now I'll do a sequence of 13 very low points, okay? After finishing this one, I'll start the other part of the bow. So I'll start with a somewhat high point. I'll now make 2 high points and 3 more double crochets. Double, then 2 double crochets, and finish with a half double crochet and a slip stitch. I chain 1, and now we're going back, working stitch over stitch. The same sequence. Where there's a half double crochet, I'll put another half double in front. Where there's a double crochet, I put a double crochet. Where there's a double treble, I put a double treble in front. And in the middle, I also make the shorter stitches. Continue here with the sequence, stitch over stitch. I finish, cut the yarn, and will hide all these ends by weaving them in on both sides. Now I take the elastic and thread it through like this. Now it's simple, you just tie a little knot and adjust the bow so it sits perfectly on top. If needed, give it a little twist like this and it will settle nicely and look beautiful. And this is the result. You can make it in any color and also use other types of yarn. So what did you think of this tutorial? Let me know in the comments, like this video, and share it with that friend who will love it too. And now I want to share some news with you. We are opening enrollment for the second class of the Crochet Hair Accessories course. Join the VIP group to stay up to date with everything that's going to happen here. The link is available in the bio. Spots for this second class are limited, and those in the group will have priority and exclusive benefits such as special discounts. So don't waste any time, click the link and join the VIP group. Kisses.